Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Love is in your soul, your price is higher than gold.
If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video, I am Sasha. Welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also please like this video before watching, because as Rolly so easy would say when I watch his vlogs, like before watching, because that's what counts. Today is not going to be my usual ice cream making or pastry making day. Today I'm going to be focused on beauty. I am going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial. As you guys know, I have 2 videos on me doing my eyebrows, but I'm not completely satisfied with those type of videos, and as time goes I like to progress my work. So today is kind of that type of video. Yeah, so normally I think it's in high school, I would normally be bullied. Oops. Yeah, not bullied, I think that's too strong of a word. I would normally be teased because I don't have any eyebrows. As you guys can see, I don't have any eyebrow in the day. So usually I would start to put on the typical eyebrow pencil like this one here, and yeah, people would normally say like, girl, why you not put on an eyebrow pencil to make it look like you have something there, you know, that's the typical teasing, which made me insecure about my eyebrows. So because of that, I used to wear this like every time I'm going out, no care where me I go, I always have on my eyebrow pencil. So I guess as I got older and I started to know who I am and just felt comfortable in my own skin, it wasn't like that. I didn't do it every day. I still use it because of the fun of makeup, but I don't let it affect me to that point where I felt so insecure I wouldn't go out knowing that I don't have it on, you know, if you get what I'm saying. So that's where it all came from. But also I like now that it enhanced my features. I still look good without the eyebrow pencils, guys, can you tell? But you just gotta be confident in your skin. People are always going to talk. We have some flaws about us, something that does make us stand out, and that's just what makes us who we are, and we can't let people define that for us. So anybody watching this video, I just want to say, whatever flaw that you have, you know, let it be comfortable with it, you understand? Don't let, because of people, you change who you are. Because I've been teased about a lot of things. My eyebrows was one of them. Because I have a tall face, as you can see, I was always told like, your face longy and la 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 la, and it caused me, I guess, to wear a lot of wigs and so on, which I wasn't always comfortable in, but it enhanced my feature, and because of people again. But now, as I'm finding myself, as I know who I am in Christ, I'm more comfortable with who I am. As you guys can see, a bit of change, because if you watch some of my previous vids, I used to wear like makeup a lot, I used to wear like hair a lot, but yeah, we're not on about that today, you know. So guys, you like this? I kind of came all out for this video. So yeah, continue watching. I'll start the video now. Ooh, gotta intro my microphone. Okay guys, all you need is just 2 things. Just 2 things I used to do my makeup with, my eyebrows with, sorry, and that's my eye pencil, that's what it's called, and this is from Clean Color. This is from Clean Color, and it's a dark brown. Yeah, I normally like dark brown. I don't like black, because our normal eyebrows isn't fully jet black. Some people probably, but mine, I know it's for a fact it's not fully black, although I wasn't born with a specific color. But oh my gosh, I'm roasting myself right here. Yeah, but dark brown is a good color to go by, and also to, I guess, clean it up, as they would call it, or to let it be neater, we use concealer. And this concealer I've been using for quite a while, as you can see, kind of coming down to the finish, and it is in the color of Fawn. Sometimes I think it's too light for me, but I still go with it. And all you need is a brush, like I think this was a pack with some different brushes. I think it's made in China, of course. This is nothing extravagant. So any little brush you have around that can, you know, go under your eyes and add the concealer, then you're good to go. So all we need are those 3 things. So yeah, if you see me looking down, guys, I'm looking in the mirror. So yeah, let's get started. So I feel like this video would go for people like myself who wasn't born with any eyebrows. So whatever speck up here is there, that's where I follow. It's like I am an artist, you know. So you look, come up, look close. Okay guys, don't mind these. I don't know, like every time I wash my face, these little specks of white thing is here and I just can't, like, give me a break. Oh, so you see I have a little speck up here, so I'm just following. First off, I'm like sketching to see where it starts, trying to follow the pattern, if that makes any sense. Kind of like sketch first before I do the initial draw. Then I go over the other side and do the same. You know, your hands can't shake when doing this. Please calm those nerves. Drink some soursop leaf tea, whatever you need to do. Well, nothing illegal or not good for you, but you get what I'm saying. I don't know, something is wrong with this. I don't know. See, kind of sketch out what I'm going to do, and if I like it, then I'll just fill them in. If not, then I'll just rub off what I need to rub off. I'll just rub off the whole thing and start again. And I'm not completely loving this part, so I'm just gonna, can take a tissue or anything, but it's nothing major for me to go all out. So I'm just gonna take my finger and just erase that. Am I making it worse? I don't think so. Okay, this is good. Just gonna, I don't think I could save that one. Kind of look different, but I'm just gonna go with it. Gonna art this a bit. Not bad. So I'm just gonna take my time and lightly stroke at the front, because the front isn't darker than the middle going to the end. It's the middle that's more darker. So I'm just gonna fill them in now. Right here, I'm just gonna get a little bit more of the product, and then coming down, gonna gently do that. I'm just gonna do the same for this. Take my time and stroke, and coming down, I fill it a bit more. There are days I don't like a lot of product on my eyebrows, because seeing that I don't have any, and I don't like to trick people that way, I'll just ease down on the product, the excessive product.
Real empress, real divineness, royal highness.
So just take my fingers and just brush, you know. Don't want to show like there's a starting point, if you get me. And you should always look where the bridge of your nose is to see if it lines. See? Always look. That's where you start, where the bridge of your nose is. I used to do it where it would itch on, so people would think like, my dad would make fun of me. At one point we were going out and I didn't even know that my eyebrows were twins. He was laughing the whole time and asking me why I did it like that. And I couldn't even explain myself, because I don't know why. I was rushing, so oh well. I think this is neat. I don't know why, like on camera it's not so neat as I would want it. So it's gonna take my concealer now. There are people who don't put the concealer above or under. Some just leave it like that. And there are some like myself that do both sections, beneath and above. But there are some also that just do beneath and not above. So it's all up to your preference. I feel like this that I'm gonna do now is the perfect way to get it clean and just looking, you know, cute. So just gonna put it where, just gonna line it out, just like how before you start to crayon a picture, you would just like what's the word? Forgot. I'm gonna stop the talking and just do this because I can't explain myself. I like to itch them on like this, create the illusion that it's my eyebrow, if that makes any sense. I think I put a lot of product under there. So now I'm just gonna take my brush and whatever spray that you have, whether it's a setting spray or even a bottle like this with some water, just gonna spray the brush. It's water, guys. And now just gonna blend.
Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul.
What the water do or the setting spray is just give you more freedom to move the brush how you want it with the concealer. Because concealer is a thing, if it stays for too long it tends to be so hard to blend out. You got to work so fast with this thing, and because of that you're going to have excessive product and it's not going to look cute. So I'm just going to spray the brush some more.
Like Haile Selassie, I empress menen. Me a the sun, you are the moon, the star, the children. Love is gonna be I know that I can.
So the key is to blend. You can see, look like I have a unibrow right here. So what I normally do is just take my finger and just separate them. And just take my hand and just blend. Let's go back in with the brush until the excess concealer has been removed. On my previous video I saw where there was still a lot of concealer and one of them looked like I had a unibrow. I was really not pleased, but as time goes we learn from our mistakes and we improve on them. That's what makes us better in our skills or whatever we set our mind to. So yeah, so I'm probably gonna take a tissue now to just remove the excess. Just gonna go in back with my eyebrow pencil, kind of just let it look a bit neat up there. Yeah, so I have this arch wherever you see like this zoop, which is the arch zoop. Just gonna take my eyebrow pencil and just add a bit more, just to give the illusion that there's the starting point is right there, if you guys can see. So I'm gonna blend that. At the same time we don't want no unibrows, so I have to be careful. So I just want to take the cushions of my finger to just like pat it down and remove any excess product. See? can do a bit more blending, you know, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna end it right here. This is the look, guys. Tell me what you think down below in the comment section. Tell me what products you use if you do eyebrows, if you know, line your eyebrows. Tell me, I need to know. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, clicking on this video. Yeah, it means so much to me. I'm seeing that I'm gaining new subscribers. Welcome to the Sashi family. What should we call our family, guys? So yeah, welcome guys. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Any type of video you want me to do, like ideas, you can comment them down below. Tell me what you really love about this look. Yeah, until next time, bye. You know, me have to do the montage. You look like me a supermodel. You have to go do it right now.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Embrace. To hold the thing, bless everything, just working. You are gonna be me queen. Me be your king. We are work together and put we heart in. No worry about Susan, but our Charlene. Real love connection right to the end. You're gonna be me lover and a wife and a friend. Like I listen, I say I am.
Yeah, guys. Until next time. Bye.